Greetings for the day, dear students. In the chain of my lectures on terpenoids, I will discuss the structure of menthol. In my previous lectures, I had told you about the general methods of structure determination of terpenoids, and in continuation of that chain, today I will tell you how to determine the structure of menthol. Menthol constitutes 50 to 60% of peppermint oil, that is Mentha piperita. Menthone obtained by the oxidation of menthol also occurs naturally. For example, in the essential oils of peppermint up to 35%, geranium and pennyl royal mainly in the minus form, that is in the LEVO form. They are also used as antiseptic and as flavoring agents. Now we will see how to elucidate the structure of menthol. Now first we will come to the molecular formula. Elemental analysis and molecular weight determinations show that the molecular formula of menthol is C10H20O. Second point is we have to establish the functional nature of oxygen. As we can see in the molecular formula, one oxygen atom is present in its molecule. So we have to ascertain the functional nature of oxygen. Menthol forms esters readily with acids. It means that it possesses an alcoholic group. Now we have to establish the whether the alcoholic group is primary, secondary or tertiary. So we subject it to oxidation, and menthol when oxidized it gives a ketone that is called menthone, and the molecular formula is C10H18O. It indicates that the alcoholic group is secondary in nature. Here in this reaction we can see that when menthol is subjected to oxidation we get the ketone menthone. Third point is to establish the carbon skeleton of menthol. On dehydration followed by dehydrogenation, menthol yields paracymene. It indicates the presence of paracymene skeleton, or we can say the paramenthane skeleton in the two compounds, that is menthol and menthone. Here in this reaction we can see that first we subject menthol to dehydration followed by dehydrogenation, and we are getting the paracymene. Here in the paracymene skeleton we can see that the methyl group and isopropyl group are at para positions to each other. Fourth point is oxidative degradation. Menthone on oxidation with CaMnO4 yields keto acid with the molecular formula C10H18O3. It possesses one keto group and one carboxylic group and is called ketomethylic acid. It is readily oxidized to 3-methyl adipic acid. These reactions can be only explained by considering the structure of menthol as shown in this slide. Here first, if we consider the structure of menthol as this, then when it is oxidized we get menthone, then which is further oxidized to give a keto acid, and on further oxidation we get beta methyl adipic acid plus other oxidation products. Hence we can say that the structure of menthol will be as shown in the previous slide. It will explain all its reactions. For example, menthol was converted to paracymene, which is 1-methyl-4-isopropyl benzene, as we have seen in the previous slides, which was also obtained by the dehydrogenation of pelgone. Pelgone on reduction yields menthone, which on further reduction gives menthol, as we can see in this reaction sequence. Pelgone on reduction gives menthol, which on oxidation gives menthone, which on bromination gives dibromo product, and which when it is subjected to heat we get thiamol. Now the structure of Menthol is finally confirmed by its unambiguous synthesis given by Coates and Hess, and the starting material is cresol, and by going through a series of reactions we finally get menthol. So this was all about the structure of menthol. In the next lecture we will see the structure of few more terpenoids. Thank you. Have a nice day.